Hi everybody! Today I'm going to start a series of videos called Move Well. We as Americans have a very sedentary lifestyle. Over 75% of our population sits all day at a desk. So you got to get out and move your body. Movement is life. So one of the best ways that you can move your body, cheapest, easiest, is go for a walk. So I'm lucky enough here today, I'm on the boardwalk, beautiful Belmar, it's a beautiful morning, to go for a nice brisk walk. So you can walk anywhere. You can walk around your neighborhood, you can walk on the boardwalk, you can walk a track. It's the easiest, most effective way for you to achieve three main things. So the first is increasing cardiovascular health. So you don't want to walk slowly, leisurely. I mean, yes, that's getting out there, that's moving your body, but you really want to go for a nice brisk walk. Get your heartbeat racing, get your lungs breathing. You want to be able to really strengthen your heart and your lungs, which is what walking does. 30 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week, has been shown to help reduce cardiovascular disease by something like 50%. So that's a big thing that you could do, easy and cheap. Second is it's weight bearing. So it's a low impact weight bearing exercise. It's not going to tax your knees, your hips, your spine like running or some high intensity workouts will. It's also, because it's weight bearing, is going to help with osteopenia, osteoporosis, stimulate the bones. So you want some kind of weight bearing exercise, especially as we age. And thirdly, and one of the most important, is it helps maintain a healthy weight and helps maintain your blood sugar balance. So that's a big problem in our country. Diabetes between kids and adults is a tremendous amount of people struggle. Get out and walk. 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. It's easy, it's cheap, and it's available to everyone. So get out and move. Movement is life. And this is one of the best ways that you could do it. Go for a walk. All right, Dr. Jody signing off.